Back in 2023, my friends gifted me this box, and it is an actual blind box from Hallmark with an ornament inside. Yeah, Hallmark, the card people. Could you believe that? I didn't. They made a hex-shaped box with an ornament inside. And today, I'll tell you what we can use this box for. I have this blind box from Hallmark. Now, this black box is a series, I guess they came out in 2023 for Star Wars. And I don't have the actual ornament inside. It's currently hanging up on our tree. But I do currently have the Incredible Hulk set inside here. And so you can fit some characters in here. And you have to put them back in exactly like so. But this past year, I was walking through my local grocery store, and I found that there's more colors for these blind boxes. And I kind of wanted to do an unboxing of these to see what was inside. But I also wanted to share with you that there are multiple uses for this in HeroScape. For a game that has been out for the longest time, and any fan of the game knows that anything hex-shaped, anything that can fit on these hexes, we gotta find a use for it. Hexes are our identity as a HeroScaper. So this right now, so I have so these are from Hallmark. Like I said, you could probably order these from Hallmark. That's gonna get me. There is a Christmas tree ornament. They are a blind box, so you can get whatever you want. There's different rarities on these. If you care to know about mystery ornament blind boxes, this one is for the Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm gonna actually open this one up first. I'll move these to the sides. And I gotta say, this color is kind of cool. It's kind of cool. And yeah, it does fit right on the hex. Hulk looks pretty good on him. Looks pretty good. So yeah, it fits right in the hex. You can't really put anything else next to it. You can't even put like tiles next to them. But yeah, they fit right in there. Nice. They're pretty snug, to be honest. Pretty good. All right, so let's see what's inside this one. Oh, looks like we got, boom. It's pretty heavy. That's a hefty character. I don't know the movie too well. What is this one? I don't even know. Sarah? No, I don't know what this character's name is. But so we have this character in there. Very cool. Honestly, I'll throw it on the tree later. But what we're here for are the boxes, the blind boxes. And I'll tell you, one of the big uses that I've been finding is putting a mystery character inside. Using this maybe as an objective. You put in a secret character. You put it on the map. Have characters approach. Let's say Captain America here wants to go save the day. Come adjacent to it. And boom, unlock maybe a brand new character for the game, and you got the Incredible Hulk. That's pretty dope. That's a cool idea. I think that's I think they're $6. I think these are $6. Regardless if you want the ornament inside or not, I think using these as a really fun way for your HeroScape adventures, which is probably what I'll be using them for, or even just your normal games, casual games, have these on a map, make them an objective where you have to go save somebody. I think that'd be pretty cool. So this is the, I don't know, green one, the yellow one, because I would say there's another yellow one. So this I have is a Harry Potter themed blind box. Let's open up Harry Potter. once again, I'm not. I assume that myself and neither any of you are interested in what's inside these. Maybe you are. I don't know. But there's 7 collectibles. There's a Hogwarts train, a Death Eater, Draco, Professor McGonagall, Dobby, Bellatrix, and Harry Potter. Not even a Ron? Wow, they... But anyway, this is actually a pretty cool color. I like this color. And of course, you could probably paint these up. There's giant question marks on the sides. It does say Hallmark Mystery Ornament on the side. I don't know if you want to scratch that off or not. But otherwise, big yellow question mark I think would be pretty cool to paint. Let's see what I have. Oh, a Death Eater. We got a Death Eater. That's actually kind of cool. I actually like that. That's pretty neat. Very adorable. Cool. But yeah. So the other thing that would be really cool is actually storing glyphs. I have glyphs in my little container here. I'm going to take a big chunk of them. They actually fit perfectly inside. Oh, you have to make sure that the side goes in perfectly. So yeah, fits glyphs in there perfectly. So if you want to store, if you don't have a lot of glyphs, like I have a lot of glyphs, because I also have a lot of custom glyphs too. I could store quite a bit of glyphs in here. I'm going to mess up my organization here. There you go. It's a lot of glyphs. How many glyphs? Let's actually count here. If anyone cares, I'll just put it on the screen, I think. But I'm going to count and see how many glyphs I can hold in here. 30. I can fit 30 glyphs inside this blind box. So that's actually, that's a lot. That's good. And that's only one of them. I messed up my entire organization here for that video, so press F for respect. Press F for, wait, is that, what's the joke? Press F for respects? Is that it? From Call of Duty? For that, anyway. So, yeah, fitting 30 glyphs inside the blind box, that's pretty cool. If you guys have an idea of a different name to call these hex boxes, I guess hex boxes is just fine. These 3 colors, we got green, black, and yellow. We do have one more. We do have red, which is the Peanuts, you know, the cartoon comic book Peanuts, Charlie Brown. The last thing I'll say, I'll open up this one. Let me just move these to the side here. Let's see. Let's open up Peanuts. Let's see what we get here. Red looks pretty cool. I like red. Red looks nice. Hey, we got Snoopy. We got Snoop. Snoop Dogg. Snoopy. Snoops. Cool. Very cool. Love it. So the last usage I would assume is using these as like, and I know I've said it, using it as an objective, but more of like a team game. So imagine having, you know, a team be black, team be green, team be yellow, team be red, and you all have to go rescue your own character. Or you can go around and maybe capture these in some way. You know, so glyphs, capture. I guess we can try. Let's see how tall this is. I think looking at, let's say here's the walls from the Age of Annihilation pack, which obviously I can't put completely adjacent to. But we'll try. We'll try. Not too tall. Let's see how many hexes. How many hexes is this? Just out of curiosity, I've never checked this. It is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. say 7 hexes high. You can step on it. That'd be kind of cool. I mean, use it as platforms if you wanted to. You can't, it's really hard to put them right adjacent, so I guess the only way to really get up is if you fly on top of it or climb. You can try to put in climb rules. So, all right, so about 7 height is pretty cool. But yeah, so go out to your local grocery store. If you want to order them online, I'll go find a link maybe from Hallmark. I'm not sponsored in any way from these. Like I said, I just thought it would be a really fun thing to have in your collection. I really like having these in my collection. I recently just used the black box in my HeroScape adventure from ScapeCon 4. I called it It Came from the Stars. And not to spoil it, but let's just say this blind box was on the map, and it was used as a major objective marker for my adventurers, my scapers, to travel to figure out what was inside. So very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think these are really fun to have in your collection. But thank you again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're going to get these or not. And tune in next time. And of course, don't forget, I am not crazy. I'm Joe Crazy.